it's unboxing time. And before I unbox this, I wanted to tell you that I got the box. And as I was walking down in the basement to do the unboxing, I dropped the phone. Like in the box, inside, like it's inside a box, but still dropped it straight on the floor, just slipped straight out of my hand. So isn't that a fun way to start out with a brand new phone? Hey guys, it's Hoover here, and today we have the gold iPhone 12 Pro Max. And oh my god, I've been waiting forever for this. Like it literally took forever for it to come. It said that it got on the delivery truck at 7:30 in the morning, and it is close to 4. And oh my gosh, I've been waiting forever. But we have this, and this box is huge, except it's way slimmer. Like I have the iPhone XR box to compare it to. And look at that, it's way slimmer. Ugh, I can't talk. And that's because they're trying to like reduce everything that they're using. That's why like there's no charger. Like there's a cord but no plug in the box. But you know what? We aren't gonna use pull tab. I don't know why I would do that when I could cut it with my unboxing knife. You know, this camouflage knife is my unboxing knife. Now, I had to get this gold color because it's the only one that, like, the Apple store would let me order. So, yeah, I got the gold. I've never had a gold phone before. This is my first time. So, yeah, I've always had either the space gray or the silver. And it's so light, like it's such a light gold. And look at, I'm already smudging it up with fingerprints. Okay, we're going to lift that out. Oh my gosh, it's so big. I don't know why I just shook it, but it is so big. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna set that down very gently. It's already been dropped once. And then we have the lightning to USB-C. Oh my gosh. I've never used USB-C before. I've heard that it's faster charging. And then next we have a little, like this is smaller. And then that's all you get in the box is this. And then this little pamphlet, which is small square. You get your SIM tool and then your one Apple sticker. I wonder when that's gonna be taken out permanently. Because they are trying to like reduce the amount of materials they use, which I get it, but I think they could still include a charging brick in the box, especially because not a lot of people have these USB-C charging bricks. But you know, so yeah, I wanted to compare this. So here is the 12 Pro Max compared to the iPhone 6 Plus. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger. Gosh, this phone is huge. And then put that off to the side. And I think the first thing I want to do is, well, first we should take off the paper. Let's do that real close. I got the SIM card thing. Now I have a Tech 21 Essentials case. And this is 5 feet of drop protection. It's not that much. Gosh, it's huge. Setting this up. It doesn't fit, this case doesn't fit well at all. Tech 21 is usually pretty good, but I am not a big fan of this case at all. Start. Okay. See if I can do that from here. Okay guys, so I have them transferring. As you can see, they're transferring. And the reason I don't like this case is, I don't know if you can see it, but it just doesn't, it like extends out right there and doesn't like, see how the rest like cover the sides? It doesn't right there. As you can see, I've already smudged it up by using it for 2 minutes. And yeah, made a mess with everything. But yeah, I'm so excited. I have the 12 Pro Max. I gotta still put this on. I hate putting these on. They're so hard to get onto. Okay guys, so my phone is all set up. I am in better spirits. I wasn't in the best mood unboxing this because it had been loaded and it set out for delivery at 7 a.m. this morning and it didn't come till 4. And I was just going crazy waiting for it, honestly. But now, even like the case thing, like I fixed it. I just pushed down on it hard and it did conform to the phone's design. But yeah, I really like this phone. It is huge. And now that I have it all set up, it's really nice. I put a screen protector on it. It was actually, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but earlier in the clip I said that like these are so hard to put on, but it came with one of these things. So yeah, thanks for watching and happy iPhone season.